Understanding Gradient Estimation, a path to smarter algorithms. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into an intriguing concept that's pivotal in the world of mathematics and computer science: gradient estimation. This might sound complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down into simple, easy-to-understand pieces. Gradient estimation is a cornerstone in optimizing algorithms, which helps in making computer programs faster and more efficient. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, stick around to discover how this fascinating concept plays a critical role in advancements in technology. Before we talk about gradient estimation, let's understand what a gradient is. Imagine you're hiking on a hill. The steepness and direction you choose to walk in determine how quickly you'll reach the top. In mathematics, a gradient does something similar. It tells us the direction and steepness of the steepest climb up a function's graph. In simpler terms, it's a way to find the maximum or minimum value of a function efficiently. Now, why do we need to estimate gradients? In an ideal world, we'd know the exact landscape of our hill, or function. However, in complex problems, like predicting weather patterns or optimizing algorithms for artificial intelligence, the mathematical landscape is vast and intricate. Gradient estimation allows us to make educated guesses about the gradient without needing a complete map. This is crucial for making algorithms smarter and faster, as it helps in navigating towards optimal solutions with limited information. Let's dive into the mechanics. Gradient estimation often involves techniques like finite difference approximation or automatic differentiation. Without getting too technical, these methods approximate the steepness of our hill at specific points, using these points to guide us towards the peak, or optimal solution. Imagine you're trying to find the highest point in a foggy landscape. Gradient estimation gives you a flashlight to see just a step ahead, guiding you in the right direction. You might wonder, where is this used? The applications are vast and varied. From machine learning models that can recognize speech and images, to optimization problems in logistics and engineering, gradient estimation plays a pivotal role. It's behind the scenes, making sure that the digital world is efficient, fast, and smart. We hope this journey through the concept of gradient estimation has illuminated its importance and how it's applied in real-world scenarios. It's a testament to how fundamental mathematical concepts find their way into improving our daily lives through technology. Keep exploring and asking questions, and you'll find that even the most daunting topics can be understood. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your learning journey.